Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Fuse Bead Kit is probably one of the most engaging and creative craft kits available today, offering a fantastic way to unleash your imagination and create countless colorful designs, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters seeking a relaxing and rewarding hobby that sparks joy and allows for endless possibilities of artistic expression and personalized creations. Number 5. FUNZBO 23,000 Beads Kit. It has everything you need to start creating: beads in 22 colors, tweezers, pegboards, ironing paper, and pattern ideas. It's perfect for both kids and adults to enjoy. Let your imagination run wild. Build anything you can dream up, from everyday objects to your own unique designs. The possibilities are endless. This is a great activity for kids aged 5 and up. It's perfect for creating fun crafts or even useful items around the house. It's a fantastic family activity, too. It comes ready to gift in a nice box. It's a thoughtful present for kids or anyone who loves crafting, perfect for birthdays or holidays. We use high-quality materials and test it for safety. But most importantly, your happiness matters to us. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. With 23,000 beads and tons of creative possibilities, it's time to unleash your inner artist. Get yours today and start crafting. What we like? It has a massive number of beads and a wide variety of colors to choose from. Everything you need to start is included in one box, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a comprehensive and colorful fuse bead experience, this is the kit for you. What people say. This 15,000 plus fuse beads kit is perfect for my son. With 72 colors and 66 patterns, he's been able to create all sorts of fun and unique designs. The beads are high quality and easy to work with, and the patterns are clear and fun to follow. There's a variety of colors to choose from and the size is perfect. Having bought various versions from my 8 years old over the years, this is a great kit. Good quality and so many different color beads in large quantities. It also comes with additional bags of black and green. Number 4. Meland Fuse Beads Kit. This kit has everything you need to create amazing designs. It comes with 11,000 beads in 36 vibrant colors, plus pegboards, ironing paper, and fun accessories. With so many colors and accessories, the possibilities are endless. Make keychains, pendants, decorations, let your imagination run wild. Creating 3D patterns improves spatial awareness and fine motor skills. It's a fun way to enhance hand-eye coordination. It's a perfect activity for kids to enjoy together, fostering sharing and collaboration. A great alternative to screen time. These beads are made from safe, premium plastic, designed to melt cleanly without harsh smells. Your creations will stay vibrant for longer. This beautifully packaged kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for young artists aged 5 to 12. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive array of colors and comes with fun accessories to make 3D creations. It's perfect for making unique and personalized items. If you are looking for a kit that allows for creative expression beyond flat designs, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with a huge variety of colors, so there's endless potential for creativity, whether you're making characters, keychains, or decorative art. The beads melt together perfectly when ironed, and I was impressed with how vibrant and durable the finished pieces turn out. The kit also includes pegboards, tweezers, and pattern ideas, which are super helpful, especially for beginners. It's easy to use and provides hours of fun, plus it's a great way to practice fine motor skills and creativity. The Perler beads are great quality and very easy to use. The kids have been able to make many pieces and we still have a lot left over. We really like the selection of colors. Number 3. Shinshin Creation Fuse Beads Kit. This kit comes with tons of patterns to get you started. It's so easy to create beautiful designs. With 5,200 colorful beads, it provides endless creative fun. Kids will love expressing themselves. These beads are made of 100% food-grade EVA, completely non-toxic and safe for kids. Your child's safety is our priority. It comes in a beautiful box, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. Kids will absolutely love it. We're sure you'll love it, but if not, our return policy is hassle-free. We're here to help. Unleash your imagination and create unique masterpieces. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. What we like. It comes with a huge number of pre-designed patterns to get you started, and the beads are made from safe and high-quality materials. It provides hours of creative fun. If you want a kit that inspires creativity and ensures safety for your children, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy and great quality for the price. There is a great variety of colors so you can make just about anything you want. Functions properly and not easily breakable. They melt at a perfect speed. Unlike other brands eBay tried where the beads melt super fast and explode or warp from the heat, these keep their shape very nicely, and melt slowly enough to be able to see that the design is melting evenly while you're ironing them. They also come with the best tweezers eBay gotten in a pack before. They're very durable, and it's really easy to hold onto the beads without dropping them or accidentally flicking them around. The pegboard is also very nice. In the past eBay had issues with pegboards from other companies where for some reason it was almost impossible to get my creations off the board once they were ironed, but with these they're always very easy to remove without breaking. This kit has a great variety of colors, and even extra baggies of black and white beads. It came with several pegboards, tweezers, and clear plastic ironing sheets. Number 2. 24,000 Mini Fuse Beads Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed to dive into the world of mini fuse beads. It's perfect for crafting intricate designs and bringing your imagination to life. With 48 colors of tiny 2.6mm beads, you'll have a vast palette to choose from. Express yourself with a stunning array of hues and shades. This kit includes 5 pegboards, 2 tweezers, and 24,000 mini beads. You'll be ready to start creating masterpieces right away. It's simple to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters. The possibilities are endless. Create anything you can imagine. It's compatible with Hama, melty beads, and iron beads, giving you even more options for your creations. Expand your crafting horizons. The kit offers convenient bulk storage to keep your beads organized and easily accessible. Say goodbye to messy craft supplies. What we like. With thousands of tiny beads in a huge variety of colors, you can create incredibly detailed and intricate designs. This kit is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking bead art. If you're an experienced crafter looking for a challenge, this kit is for you. What people say. It's easy and great quality for the price. There is a great variety of colors so you can make just about anything you want. Functions properly and not easily breakable. They melt at a perfect speed. Unlike other brands eBay tried where the beads melt super fast and explode or warp from the heat, these keep their shape very nicely, and melt slowly enough to be able to see that the design is melting evenly while you're ironing them. They also come with the best tweezers eBay gotten in a pack before. They're very durable, and it's really easy to hold onto the beads without dropping them or accidentally flicking them around. The pegboard is also very nice. In the past eBay had issues with pegboards from other companies where for some reason it was almost impossible to get my creations off the board once they were ironed, but with these they're always very easy to remove without breaking. This kit has a great variety of colors, and even extra baggies of black and white beads. It came with several pegboards, tweezers, and clear plastic ironing sheets. Number 1. Perler Sunny Days Bead Bucket. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing bead set. It has everything you need to create colorful masterpieces. You'll receive 5,500 assorted beads in 17 vibrant colors, 3 handy pegboards, and reusable ironing paper. It's all here to get you started. With so many beads and colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create anything you can dream up. These pegboards make creating your designs a breeze. They are reusable, so you can make project after project. Perfect for keeping kids entertained all summer long. This kit is ideal for creative expression and imaginative play. Use the included ironing paper and a household iron to easily fuse your creations. Adult supervision recommended. This creative kit is designed for children aged 6 and up. It's a great way to develop fine motor skills and creativity. What we like. It's a great starter kit with a good amount of beads and easy-to-use pegboards. The instructions are simple and easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners. If you are a beginner or looking for a simple and fun craft, this is a good option. What people say. The colors are incredibly vibrant, and the beads hold up perfectly after ironing, leaving smooth, beautiful designs every time. She likes the bead colors and board shapes that were included. There are so many colors, the options are endless for what the kids can design and create. Keeps kids entertained for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.